You're going to get your beaded piece ready. Here I have mine. Then you're going to get your vinyl or your leather, whatever you want to use as your backing. And you're going to take your beaded piece and you're just going to trace it onto there. Okay, so next you just want to carefully cut out the piece that you just traced. Next you want to get your lanyard ready. These here I purchased online. You can buy them anywhere at Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Joann's. Now next you want to mark the middle of your beaded piece. Right now we just want to figure out where we are going to place our lanyard. Now you're just going to take your glue and just add a dab right in the center. And then we're going to carefully place our lanyard onto the beaded piece. And you just want to be sure that you are putting it on correctly, like the front of the lanyard is facing down. And you definitely want to make sure that you're not putting your beaded piece upside down. So make sure that the bottom is at the bottom, basically the top is facing the top. And then add your glue to the lanyard again and place your vinyl right down and just push down and make sure it stays together. And then now it is time to edge our lanyard. Right now I'm just using the wrap technique, basically just using 2 beads at a time and just wrapping it, going back and forth. It's a simple process. Just gonna finish off our lanyard. You're gonna thread through the first couple beads that we started off with, and then you're gonna take your needle and your thread and thread through the pellin or your felt only, and you're going to do that a couple of times and just tie it off a few times and then cut off the remaining thread. Last but not least, when you are finished with that, take your glue, dab a little bit in between the banding so it's not loose, and then you're done. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. If you have any suggestions, leave them down in the comments below.